I am ticking it now, never willing resonate, bring the more some around, no matter sweetheart, your love is like a garden in filling my life with beauty and joy. I am forever grateful for you. Love my deserve love. You are the reasons I wake up with a smile on face. Every morning, your love is my strength and my salvation to my darling. Your love is a like melody that plays in my heart, bringing my peace and comfort in times of needed. I am forever grateful for you, love. Love to look into my your eyes. They reflected my happiness. The hardest thing for me in life is to live without you, my wife. I am not a romantic man, but I am deeply in love with you, and I want to show how happy I am united the end of time when I close my eyes. I feel you, I can see you for a face, I can stopping thinking about you for a single second. You have taken control of everything. No one can admire you as much as I do you. I think my fitness in for you is strength enough to survive the attracting good and tropical hide and relationship could across. I am proud of your team. We only have two people, you and my, but divisions make it a fantasy squad to that fight with darkness and turn on the light of positive emotions and uniting positions. Hello, may I miss you much. Why haven't you married Diddy so you can come stay with us? Miss you so much, ma'am. You know we have no other mother, but you did keep talking about you. Good morning, my love. I know you are having a wonderful time. I wake up to let you know how deeper our love is become. I cannot even sleep comfortably without thinking much about you. I really want to you to know that this love is become so strong that I cannot wait to meet you. You makes me smiles. You eases my steps with your romantic message and caressing your respect and honest become a top niche. You give me the reasons to live, and if I am to choose in my next level word, I will chooses you over and over again. Chat me heaven when you come across this is message. I thought that loving someone wholeheartedly and feeling the same amount of affections only happens in move united. I meet you. Thank you for all the care appreciations you have given me. I cannot help but wonder that what I never ever did to deserve. I am the luckiest man in the world because I have you. Beauty is like a ray of sunshine that can bring brightness anywhere. Your beauty smiles never fails to make me heart melt my dreams. Thank you for being a fantasy person inside and out. You are the best persons in my life now, baby. It is hard to thank how lived me life before I meet you. Now I do not dare to imagine my life without you. I promise to take care of you and my you happy. Please do not ever leave me side because you have my heart in your hand. I will do whatever it takes to keep you have happy. I promise to love you still eternity. I love you truly, midly, deeply, forever. Only when I can come over to pick you up. I have been waiting for you here. No one talk to. I am just here on my bed all day. I need you to come back home so when spends the rest of our life together without my sights. I feel like I can conquer the world. Thank you for being my partner in love, and your love is a stacy sure that I will crashing for eternity. I am pleased to have you in my life. You are the missing pieces to my puzzle, completing me in a ways I never know possible. My love for you knows no bonds, reaching beyond time and space. You are my forever and always. Your love is like a frame embrace that comforts me in my darkest moment. Thank you for being in my safe heaven. You are the love of my life, my soulmate, my everything. I am grateful for your freshness in my world.